In a remarkable discovery, scientists recently opened a cave sealed for millions of years and found something extraordinary. Deep within the mysterious cavern, their flashlights revealed a stunning underground ecosystem filled with glowing, otherworldly organisms. It was like stepping into an alien world hidden beneath the Earth's surface, challenging everything we thought we knew about life and our planet's history. Join us in this video as we uncover the 15 most shocking discoveries found in caverns. Number 15. World's oldest winery. Imagine savoring a glass of wine to unwind after a tiring day. But what if I told you that deep within the mountain caves of Armenia, a revelation emerged that would revolutionize our understanding of wine's history? Archaeologists unearthed a find that defies belief, an ancient winemaking facility, a time capsule dating back over 6,000 years. This astounding discovery predates the earliest known wine found in the tombs of the Egyptian pyramids by nearly a millennium. It doesn't just rewrite history, it paints a vivid picture of the dawn of red wine production. The enigmatic treasure trove of this ancient wine stash is remarkable, demonstrating that caves can harbor secrets that baffle the imagination. Inside these caves, astonishingly well-preserved relics emerged. Wood, leather, and other organic materials hidden away for millennia lay in splendid condition. The dry, isolated climate of the cave system acted as a guardian, preserving these precious remnants of antiquity. It's as though time stood still, allowing us a glimpse into an ancient craft that had long eluded us. This groundbreaking find reshapes our understanding of winemaking and human history. The past we once thought we knew now requires revision. This revelation reminds us that history is not set in stone but etched into the very earth we tread upon. With this newfound knowledge, our history books will be updated, allowing this ancient winemaking facility to take its rightful place as a cornerstone of human ingenuity and the enduring allure of wine. Number 14. Prehistoric Shark. In the heart of Kentucky's Mammoth Cave, an ancient secret lurks beneath the Earth's surface, one that would send shockwaves through the annals of science and plunge us deep into the mysteries of prehistory. This sprawling underground maze, renowned as the world's longest cave system, concealed a revelation that defied imagination: a fossilized shark head. Imagine stumbling upon the remains of a creature that roamed the seas more than 330 million years ago, a time long before humans walked the earth. This wasn't just any shark, it rivaled the size of today's formidable great white sharks. What made this discovery even more extraordinary was the rarity of it all. Sharks, you see, aren't known for leaving behind fossils. Their bodies, mostly composed of cartilage, typically vanish into the abyss of time. Yet, deep within the intricate passages of Mammoth Cave, scientists unearthed a treasure trove of this ancient predator. Astonishingly, several parts of its body remained remarkably intact, a testament to the cave's unique preservation powers. The centerpiece of this find was the shark's lower jaw, stretching an impressive 2.5 feet. This prehistoric leviathan, frozen in time, provided an invaluable glimpse into an era when giant predators ruled the ancient seas. This remarkable discovery shook the foundations of paleontology and raised a tantalizing question. What other secrets lie entombed within the limestone walls of Mammoth Cave? Could there be more fossils, perhaps even more awe-inspiring than this prehistoric shark, waiting to be unearthed in this subterranean world? Only time will tell. Number 13. Bird carving. Earlier in 2023, within the hidden recesses of Hellfire Cave in Germany, a wondrous artifact emerged from the Earth's embrace, a small, exquisite bird sculpture crafted from the ancient tusks of mammoths. What made this avian masterpiece truly extraordinary was its staggering age, surpassing 30,000 years. This finely chiseled piece of art served as a portal into the mysterious world of shamanism. Imagine a water bird adorned with a horse's head and a magnificent lion's mane, a fantastical creature inspiring awe. In the realm of shamanic practice, birds, especially waterfowl, held a revered place as symbols of great significance. This humble carving bolstered the belief that birds played a pivotal role in the spiritual lives of early humans. The bird's head, eyes, and gracefully extended neck breathed life into the ancient ivory, making it appear almost capable of taking flight. The artist behind this masterpiece, whose name has been lost to time, would surely swell with pride knowing their creation now claims the title of the oldest known bird representation in human history. However, this remarkable bird was not alone in its ancient artistry. In a cave nestled in the French wilderness, an owl figurine stood as its silent companion. Though reminiscent of cave paintings attributed to Neanderthals, research revealed that these treasures were the handiwork of early modern humans. Carbon dating unveiled their astonishing age, crafted meticulously between 28,000 and 35,000 years ago. Number 12. The Altamura Man. In 1933, deep within the mysterious caves of southern Italy, a team of daring explorers stumbled upon a mind-boggling discovery that would send shockwaves through the scientific community. What they found was astonishing: a human skull concealed beneath a thick veil of calcite formations. This was no ordinary skull. It was trapped within what scientists cryptically term a cased borehole, or in simpler terms, a sinkhole. This sinkhole, far from lifeless, was a realm where running water and limestone created stunning stalactites. At the heart of this bizarre spectacle lay the mysterious Altamura Man, a name bestowed by science upon this trapped soul. Nearly 3 decades since its discovery, experts remain locked in a puzzling dilemma. They dare not excavate this ancient prisoner for fear of causing irreversible harm. Instead, they weave theories about the fate of this individual, whose head and part of one shoulder are all that remain visible. Here's their theory. Ages ago, a lone man tumbled into a natural well. Isolated and without a lifeline, he endured days of torment until starvation claimed his life. The cave that trapped him gradually took over, preserving his remains. Over time, his bones merged with encroaching limestone deposits, creating a calcite stalactite spectacle. Initial estimates placed his age between 40,000 and 60,000 years, but groundbreaking dating and genetic techniques later revealed a staggering truth. The Altamura Man was, in fact, a Neanderthal who walked the earth 190,000 years ago. He was a young adult, his 2 missing teeth hinting at dental struggles. This astonishing discovery ignited scientific curiosity, posing questions that remain unanswered. Number 11. The Cave of the Cannibals. In 2016, a group of daring archaeologists ventured deep into the heart of a Belgian cave, never expecting the spine-chilling discovery that awaited them. As they delved into the eerie darkness, their torches revealed a bone-chilling tableau, human bones scattered and broken, bearing gruesome signs of butchery. These skeletal remains told a macabre tale of brutality that sent shivers down their spines. It appeared as though ancient Neanderthals had met a gruesome end, their bones bearing the marks of a savage hand. Some bones had been brutally cracked open, revealing the marrow within, while others bore the telltale scars of sharp knives deftly separating flesh from bone. The timeline of this chilling discovery stretched back some 40,000 to 45,000 years ago. These were the Neanderthals who once called Belgium home. What was most perplexing, however, was the unnecessary nature of their action. Cannibalism was known to our prehistoric ancestors, but this instance took it to a new level. Neanderthals feasting upon their kind. Was it insatiable hunger, a dark ritual, or a desperate struggle for survival? The shadows of time cloak their true motivations, leaving us with haunting questions. What drove these Neanderthals to turn on their kind with such ferocity? Were they seeking to stave off extinction, or were they trapped in a spiral of violence? We look forward to your opinions in the comments. Now it's time for today's topic. Scientists recently opened a cave sealed for millions of years and made a shocking discovery. Upon entering the site and examining its surroundings, they were immediately fascinated by carvings on the walls. This marked a significant moment as they encountered the first non-human species known to bury their deceased members. The symbols, carefully carved above the graves, revealed an extraordinary aspect of their existence. Homonality, with a brain size about 1/3 that of humans but slightly larger than chimpanzees, provided a profound revelation. Scientists found themselves among the first humans to understand the meaning behind symbols created by a species that lived hundreds of thousands of years ago. This unexpected discovery was both astonishing and surprising. Their understanding of this mysterious species expanded greatly when they uncovered numerous individuals in 2013. However, until now, they only had physical remains to study due to the species' remote habitat. While they could describe Homonality's anatomy, small heads, tall stature, and slender bodies, they remained unaware of their behavioral patterns. Yet, in just 72 hours, their knowledge transformed from virtually nothing to encompassing their entire culture. The team discovered their use of fire, the presence of intricate symbols, and adjacent chambers containing the remains of animals they either consumed or used in ceremonies. This shifted their role from studying anatomy to becoming cultural anthropologists. Revising their initial hypothesis about burial practices, they ventured into the challenging 12-meter deep cave, navigating passages as narrow as a person's head to gain first-hand insights. The experience was demanding but highly rewarding. For the first time in history, researchers observed petroglyphs created by an entirely different species. This research has profound implications, challenging the idea of human exceptionalism based solely on brain size. Homonality's accomplishments highlight that our uniqueness is not exclusively defined by our brain power, offering a new perspective on our position in the natural world. Let us know what you think about this remarkable discovery. Number 10. The Moval Cave in Romania. In 1986, the discovery of the Moval Cave in Romania marked a significant milestone in scientific exploration. This cave, though modest in size and featuring constricted passageways encrusted in clay, stood as a testament to nature's awe-inspiring wonders. Scientists, upon opening the cave that was sealed for millions of years, made one of the most shocking discoveries to date. The unlocking of this cave's mysteries represented a monumental advancement that challenged prevailing conceptions about terrestrial life. For millions of years, the Moval Cave remained hermetically sealed from the external environment, resulting in a lack of fresh air and the creation of a noxious atmosphere. Remarkably, Within these inhospitable confines, novel life forms manifested and flourished. A staggering tally of 48 distinct species was unveiled by diligent scientists, encompassing spiders, scorpions, and centipedes. Most intriguingly, 33 of these species existed exclusively within the confines of the Moval Cave. The enigma surrounding the survival of these organisms in the cave's toxic milieu prompted profound contemplation among experts. It was ultimately revealed that these creatures harnessed a process termed chemosynthesis, akin to photosynthesis in plants. This process transformed harmful gases into food for bacteria, which formed the foundation of the cave's food chain. Smaller creatures depended on these bacteria for sustenance, while larger animals like worms, shrimp, spiders, and scorpions preyed on the smaller ones. This intricate cycle created a self-sustaining ecosystem, allowing life to thrive in the cave. Scientists remain fascinated by this discovery, particularly because the origins of these creatures remain unclear. It's believed that the bacteria have been there for more than 5 million years, and that the animals might have entered through an opening that later closed. Faced with these challenges, these animals adapted and evolved to survive with limited resources, showcasing the incredible resilience of life. Number 9. Paris Catacombs. Beneath the romantic streets of Paris lies a realm of darkness, a chilling underworld that defies the city's enchanting facade. The Paris Catacombs, the largest of their kind in the world, comprise a sprawling 2,000-acre labyrinth harboring the macabre remnants of countless souls. While they may not be the oldest catacombs globally, they undoubtedly rank among the most ominous. In the 18th century, a gruesome problem plagued Paris. Overcrowded cemeteries turned into breeding grounds for disease, forcing the city to devise a nightmarish solution, a subterranean maze of death. Beneath the bustling streets, 6 million skeletal inhabitants now find their eerie resting place. Yet what's even more spine-tingling is that the majority of the catacombs remain untouched by human feet, a vast, enigmatic abyss where darkness conceals untold secrets. These untouched chambers beckon the daring and the curious, but venturing in alone is perilous. Urban explorers have long been drawn to the catacombs, forming secret gatherings within the subterranean crypts. While some navigate the dimly lit corridors, the catacombs' sheer scale ensures that most of their secrets remain buried in obscurity. Beneath the cobblestone streets of Paris, the catacombs stand as a haunting affirmation of humanity's struggle with mortality, a sprawling necropolis of bones and a chilling reminder of a bygone era. Number 8. Cave filled with cups. In 2011, archaeologists uncovered something eerie and unsettling, an astonishing relic from over 14,000 years ago. Cups, fashioned from human skulls, emerged as a macabre discovery that chills the bones. Imagine stumbling upon a heap of bones and realizing they were not just remains but tools crafted from human skeleton. These eerie skull cups were unearthed in a Somerset cave, meticulously assembled from the skulls of 2 adults and a 3-year-old child. The very idea sends shivers down one's spine, the stuff of horror stories. However, researchers believe that the individuals whose skulls were turned into cups did not meet a gruesome end for this purpose. Instead, they likely succumbed to natural causes, making this strange tradition one of post-mortem curiosity. This bizarre find reminds us of the unsettling traditions of ancient times. So, the next time you sip from an ordinary cup, consider the strange history of those ancient skull cups, a haunting reminder that the past is a realm of mysteries and traditions stranger than fiction. Number 7. Translucent snails. Deep within the mysterious depths of Croatia's Lucina Geometrajama cave system, a courageous crew of spelunkers and biologists stumbled upon a revelation like no other. As they ventured into one of the world's deepest caves, ranked among Earth's top 20, they embarked on a journey that unveiled an astonishing secret concealed 3,200 feet beneath the surface. Their quest led to the discovery of a species of snail unlike any other. These translucent beings, belonging to the Zospium genus, were a marvel of nature. Among their specimens was a snail named Zospium thalassum, bearing a luminous dome-shaped shell that resembled an intricate work of art. These extraordinary snails moved at a glacial pace, advancing mere millimeters or centimeters each week, often trapped in circular trajectories. Their unhurried existence mirrored the comfort of their cave abode, where they grazed leisurely. When taxonomist Alexander Weigand examined these specimens in Germany, his verdict was unequivocal. A virgin species previously unknown to science had been unveiled. As these explorers peered deeper into the earth, they uncovered a hidden world, offering new insights into the wonders of subterranean life. Number 6. Crystallized human sacrifice. Far in the heart of Belize lies a mysterious archaeological marvel known as Acton Tunikil Mucknell, or more mystically, the Cave of the Crystal Sepulchre. This isn't just any ordinary cave. Deep within its depths, explorers are met with a chilling tableau of human skeletons amidst ornate ceremonial relics and ancient embellishments. Some of these unfortunate souls rest upon altars, their bones spanning a wide range, from innocent children to seasoned adults. Among them, one figure stands out, the Crystal Maiden. Initially mistaken for a girl, this ill-fated 17-year-old met a gruesome fate. His skeletal remains were transformed into a grotesque sculpture adorned with shimmering calcium crystals. The shimmering effect is a result of centuries of mineral-rich water dripping over the bones, creating a hauntingly beautiful yet eerie display. The cavern's atmosphere is heavy with the sense of tragedy, as if the walls themselves remember the cries of the sacrifice. Experts believe the maiden may have been a high-status individual, chosen for the ultimate offering to ensure the favor of the gods. Each bone tells a silent story, whispering secrets of a culture that believed such sacrifices could alter the balance of nature. This subterranean labyrinth dates back to a bygone era, existing between 250 AD and 909 AD. For the ancient Maya, it was a sacred conduit to the gods governing agriculture and rainfall. In their quest to appease these deities, humans were sacrificed within its cavernous embrace. Reaching Acton Tunikil Mucknell is no easy feat. Visitors must be in peak physical condition to swim their way to its concealed entrance. Only 2 tour operators are permitted to guide adventurers into this national monument. For those craving spine-tingling exploration, the journey into this shadowy cave offers an unforgettable lesson in history, etched into its shadowy depths. Number 5. Hellfire Caves. Deep beneath the rolling hills of West Wickham, England, lies a hidden world of darkness and intrigue, the enigmatic Hellfire Caves. These subterranean labyrinths, hewn into existence over 2 centuries ago, stretch some 300 feet below the surface, shrouded in an aura of mystique that continues to captivate explorers to this day. But these are not just any caves. They were meticulously carved for a secret society known as the Hellfire Club. Forget the notion of rock stars and poets. This exclusive society was populated by influential figures of their time, including the likes of John Wilkes and the esteemed Benjamin Franklin, who graced the caves as an honored guest. Within these eerie candlelit chambers, the club members would congregate for their clandestine gathering. Drunken toasts echoed through the tunnels, meetings were shrouded in secrecy, and mock rituals were conducted. Whispers of unspeakable deeds swirled around their activities, although concrete evidence remains elusive. The cave's dark history is further mired in tales of lingering spirits. Some claim to have glimpsed the ethereal figure of Suki, a bride whose tragic fate was sealed within these ominous walls. Pranked into a meeting with her groom, Suki's joy turned to rage upon realizing the cruel jest. A barrage of stones was exchanged, and Suki met her untimely demise, her life extinguished by a fateful blow. It is said that even the club's founder, Francis Dashwood, himself refuses to rest in peace, his spectral presence still haunting the dim recesses of the Hellfire Caves. Witnesses report eerie orbs of light and the echoing murmurs of disembodied voices, lending an unsettling atmosphere to this subterranean realm. Should you dare to venture into the depths of the Hellfire Caves, do so with caution. This is no place for the faint of heart, especially those who harbor a deep-seated aversion to encounters with the otherworldly. Number 4. 170,000-year-old roasted vegetables. Imagine journeying back in time, not to the era of ferocious mammoths and saber-toothed tigers, but to a South African cave where our ancient ancestors left behind a culinary secret. Deep within Border Cave, scientists made an astonishing discovery that rewrote the menu of our prehistoric forebears. These intrepid explorers unearthed charred remnants of root vegetables, an astounding 170,000 years old. Yes, you read that right. Vegetables roasted to perfection by early humans. This revelation shattered the caveman stereotype of meat-eating brutes. What's truly remarkable is that our ancestors were not just carnivores. They had a sophisticated palate, blending vegetables and protein. Archaeologists pieced together this ancient puzzle through meticulous analysis. Years of detective work identified these charred treasures as rhizomes from the Hypoxis genus. For the uninitiated, rhizomes are subterranean plant stems. What about the taste? These Hypoxis rhizomes aren't your ordinary potatoes. They boast a yam-like flavor with a tantalizing twist. Early humans evidently couldn't resist their starchy goodness, making them a regular part of their diet. This discovery dismisses the misconception that our ancestors were mere meat enthusiasts. They appreciated balance in their diet just as we do. Not all Hypoxis rhizomes are created equal. One species, Hypoxis hemerocalidea, the African potato, has a bitter taste, making it more suitable for medicinal purposes than feasting. The border cave dwellers likely savored a different species with delectable white-fleshed rhizomes like Hypoxis angustifolia. So, the next time you savor a roasted vegetable, remember that you're partaking in a culinary tradition that dates back 170,000 years. Number 3. 100-year-old axe murder. Imagine a tale woven with threads of darkness and mystery, a chronicle that unfolds like a nightmarish fable. For those who revel in sinister stories from the past, meet Joseph Henry Loveless, a name that may have eluded your ears until now. Born in 1870, Lovelace embarked on a life journey fraught with twists and turns. Raised by devoutly religious parents, he began his chapter of existence by uniting in matrimony with Harriet Jane Hattie Savage. Their union bore a child, but their love could not stand the test of time. In 1904, divorce tore them asunder. Lovelace did not find solace in tranquility or family life. Instead, he was drawn into the abyss of criminality. Known for his clever disguises, Lovelace was said to carry multiple changes of clothing, allowing him to slip away unnoticed after each crime. Witness accounts described him as a charming yet calculating individual, able to blend into any crowd with ease. His reputation for elusiveness earned him a near-mythical status among law enforcement, who often found themselves one step behind his trail. Even his jail escapes seemed almost cinematic, adding to his infamy. Time and again, he found himself ensnared in the clutches of the law for minor transgressions, yet he always managed to elude capture. Then, in the fateful year of 1916, he committed an act so heinous it sent shivers down spines: the murder of his wife Agnes Octavia Caldwell. The authorities apprehended him, but like a wraith, he slipped away, vanishing into obscurity. For decades, his whereabouts remained a riddle until a chilling discovery emerged in 1979. A family searching for arrowheads stumbled upon his torso in a cave nestled in the heart of eastern Idaho. It was a macabre puzzle that left them haunted. His arms, hands, and 2 legs remained elusive, hidden in the same cave system for 12 more years. Then, in 2019, the DNA Doe Project, a non-profit organization, unraveled the mystery through modern science. They uncovered the identity of the dismembered remains, the merciless criminal Joseph Henry Lovelace. Yet, the shadows of this story remain deep, concealing the true orchestrator of Lovelace's demise. In this haunting narrative, one cannot help but ponder the timeless wisdom: inflict not upon others what you would recoil from yourself. Number 2. 17 Miniature Coffin. High above Edinburgh's historic old town stands a distinctive and enchanting landmark, Arthur's Seat, a picturesque volcanic hill. This extraordinary hill transcends mere geology, shrouded in an aura of history and mystery that has perplexed generations. Some even claim it could be the very site of King Arthur's mythical Camelot, a place where legends and reality intertwine. But the strangest tale to ever emerge from this enigmatic hill dates back to June 1836. Amid a carefree rabbit-hunting expedition, a group of boys stumbled upon an enigmatic discovery that still baffles the world. Concealed amidst slender slabs of slate on Arthur's Seat's northeast slope lay 17 tiny coffins. Their origin and purpose remain shrouded in uncertainty, a riddle that defies explanation. Each coffin, measuring just 95 millimeters in length, was carefully crafted from wood and contained small wooden figures adorned in finely tailored clothing resembling miniature dolls. 2 rows of 8 coffins formed a base, with a solitary coffin perched on top. To this day, 8 of these peculiar coffins are on display at the National Museum of Scotland. Upon their discovery, speculations ran wild. Some believed they symbolized a form of honorific burial, yet the identities of those interred within remained a mystery. In 1906, a woman in Edinburgh added another layer of intrigue, recounting her father's interactions with a mysterious deaf-mute known as Mr. B. This man had drawn a picture resembling the miniature coffins and marked them with the years 1837, 1838, and 1840, coinciding with the deaths of relatives. Rumors swirled. Could these coffins be tied to German seafaring superstitions, or the notorious murderers Burke and Hare, who claimed 17 lives in Edinburgh? Despite numerous theories, Arthur's Seat's 17 miniature coffins continue to baffle and captivate. Their origin and purpose remain one of history's most enduring enigmas. Number 1. Crone of the Catskills. While trekking the rugged trails of New York's Catskill Mountains, 2 adventurous hikers stumbled upon an eerie discovery that would haunt their dreams for years to come. Venturing far off the beaten path into a secluded cave, their curiosity led them to a chilling encounter. Hidden away in a dim corner of the cave, they spotted an enigmatic figurine. This was no ordinary statue. It was a wooden effigy with 6 rusty nails cruelly driven through its eye socket. To make matters worse, a tight noose encircled its neck, hinting at a sinister past. One of the friends, against all better judgment, couldn't resist the allure of the voodoo-like doll and decided to bring it home. Little did he know this decision would soon turn his life into a living nightmare. The moment the figurine entered his home, it began to exhibit an unsettling life of its own. Muddy footprints appeared mysteriously on his floors, and a putrid stench permeated the air. The situation escalated. Loud, unexplained banging jolted him awake in the dead of night, and phantom knocks echoed at his front door. Yet no one was ever there. Terrified for his life, the hiker realized he was dealing with an artifact harboring malevolent forces beyond comprehension. Desperate to be rid of this cursed item, he entrusted it to a local museum, hoping to break the sinister connection that had been forged. This cautionary tale serves as a chilling reminder. Never, under any circumstances, bring strange and foreboding objects found in caves into your home. You never know what malevolent entities they may harbor, especially if they bear symbols of torment like rusty nails and a tight noose. Such items are harbingers of darkness and despair. Which of these discoveries did you find the most fascinating? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.